Good morning to all my dear students. Hope you are all well. After a long time, we again start our online classes. Today we are going to study A Visit to Cambridge, written by Fidras Kanga. All of you take your English textbook for the class. Let us go to the class. Students, I hope you that all of you take the page number 100, A Visit to Cambridge. It is written by Fidras Kanga from the Heaven of Wheels. A Visit to Cambridge. Cambridge நடத்துகிற ஒரு விசிட்டை பற்றி தான் இவர் இதில் சொல்கிறார். ஓகே, this is the story of a meeting between two extraordinary peoples, both of them disabled or differently abled as we now say. That is, இங்கே என்ன சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா இந்த ஸ்டோரியில் ரெண்டு பர்சன்ஸ் மீட் பண்ணிக்கிடுதாங்க. அது ரெண்டு பர்சனுமே எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஆர்டினரி பீப்புள்ஸ், both are disabled. அவர் ரெண்டு பேருமே handicapped extraordinary peoples. So Stephen Hawking is one of the greatest scientists of our time, and he suffers from form of a paralysis that confines him to a wheelchair and allow him to speak only by punching button of computer. ஸோ நமக்கு எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும் ஸ்டீஃபன் ஹாக்கின்ஸ்கிறது ஒரு கிரேட்டஸ்டாக ஒரு சயின்டிஸ்ட். அவர் என்ன செய்கிறாருன்னா, அவருக்கு ஒரு பக்கவாதத்தால் ஒரு பாதிப்பு உண்டாகுது. அதனால அவர் என்ன செய்கிறாருன்னா வீல் சேரில் தான் இருப்பார். ஓகே, வீல் சேரில் உட்காரப்படுறாரு. அதுக்கப்புறம் அவர் பேசணுன்னா அவரால் பேச முடியாது. அதனால கம்ப்யூட்டர் வழி தான், அந்த கம்ப்யூட்டரில் ஒவ்வொரு பட்டனையும் பஞ்ச் பண்ணி தான் அவருக்கு பேச வேண்டியது அவர் பேசுவார். விச் ஸ்பீக்ஸ் ஃபார் ஹிம் இன் ஏ மெஷின் லைக் ஏ வாய்ஸ். ஸோ அவர் அந்த பஞ்ச் பண்ணி என்ன சொல்லணும்னு விரும்புகிறார் அதை சொல்லும்போது அது ஒரு மெஷின் வாய்ஸ் மாதிரி தான், அவரோட மெஷின் வாய்ஸ் மாதிரி தான் அது சொல்லும். ஓகே, ஸோ ஹீ குடின்ட் ஸ்பீக், அதனால் பேச முடியாது. And the Fidras Kanga is a writer and a journalist who lived and worked in Mumbai. Kanga was born with a brittle brain that tended to break easily when he was a child. So, inga next characters, first one is Stephen Hawking, அப்புறம் second one is Fidras Kanga. Fidras Kangaவையும் இந்த Stephen Hawking, so they were the both extraordinary peoples and they were both disabled also. Okay, and Fidras Kanga எப்படிப்பட்ட ஆளுன்னா, he is a writer and ஒரு ஜேர்னலிஸ்ட். அப்புறம் இவர் எங்கே ஒர்க் பண்ணுறாங்க, who lives and work in Mumbai. மும்பையில் தான் அவர் இருக்கார். In the previous page, we already studied that Stephen Hawking sort of managed. He saying about the Stephen Hawking that he's a poor man and he's a paralyzed and he's very successful and he break the Isaac Newton's rule like that. So அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன சொல்கிறாருன்னா, the author of a brief history of a time, one of the best seller ever lived here. So அவர் எழுதின ஒரு best, that is ஒரு பெஸ்ட் செல்லரான புக் பேர் தான் A Brief History of Time. And when the Hawking tour was done, I rushed to the phone booth and almost tearing the crowd so it could reach me outside, phoned Stephen Hawking's house. There was his assistant online and I told him I had come in a wheelchair from India and to write about my travel in Britain. I had to see the Professor Hawkins. Even 10 minutes would do. Half an hour, he said, from 3:30 to 4. ஸோ அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா, அவருக்கு ஸ்டீஃபன் ஹாக்ஸனை பார்க்கணுங்கிற அந்த ஆசை கூடுது. ஸோ அதுக்கப்புறம் he wanted to meet the Stephen Hawkins. So he found to his assistants and he picked up the phone. After that he said that he wanted to that our Kanga said that Kanga என்ன சொல்கிறாருன்னா, he wanted to meet the Stephen Hawkins. Will you give me 10, that is he asking for the 10 minutes, but the Stephen Hawkins assistants gave him for half an hour, that is for 3:30 to 4 வரைக்கும் அவருக்கு டைம் இருக்குது. half an hour டைம் அவருக்கு கிடைக்குது. ஓகே, and suddenly I felt weak all over. Growing up disabled, you get fed up with the people asking you to be brave, as if you have courage account on which you are too lazy to draw a check. The only thing that makes you stronger is seeing somebody like you achieving something huge. Then you know how much is possible and you reach the further than you ever thought you could. That is, அதுக்கப்புறம் அவருக்கு மனசுக்கு ஒரு சந்தோஷம் என்னென்னா, என்ன மாதிரி ஒரு ஆளை போய் நான் மீட் பண்ண. Students, we studied both these pages, that is 100 and 101. Now I want to explain this meanings, that is explain the meanings and summary of this 2 pages in English. And Visit to Cambridge is written by Fidras Kanga. This is the story of meeting between two disabled people. Both are extraordinary in their field. The Stephen Hawking is great scientist, though he suffers from paralysis and he is confined to a wheelchair and he can speak only with the help of computer. Firdous Ganga, the writer and a journalist from Mumbai, was born with very weak and easily breakable bones, and he too moves around the wheelchair. He meets the Hawkins in England, and the two had discussed how so-called normal peoples should look at the disabled persons. The writer Fitzgerald was on walking tour through the Cambridge to UK. His guide told him about the Stephen Hawking, who was occupying the Newton's chair at university. But Hawking is a disabled fellow. He wrote a brief history of time, and one of the best seller this book is. And the Fitzgerald found the Hawking that he was from India and wanted to meet him and write about his travel in Britain. The Hawking agreed to see him for half an hour and thought of meeting somebody like him wheelchair gave the Fitzgerald courage, and both of them were disabled, their bodies and disintegrating. They were their bodies and they were also, that is that their bodies also disintegrating, and Hawking had a little switch in his hand. He was able to move his finger to find the words on his computer, and he felt exhausted very often, but his mind was brilliant and bullying with the thoughts. This is the summary. This is the summary of the two pages. Thank you, children.